Welcome back, I'm Stacy, and you know how obsessed I am with fall decorating. I just cannot stop. And today I'm doing one of my favorite things, and I'm combining really cool, unique pumpkins with one of my absolute favorite plants, the succulent. So, you know, we just passed the Halloween time, and we had all these really cool pumpkins and gourds out on our front stoops, but now it's time to strip off those Halloween decorations and let's repurpose all these gorgeous, unique pumpkins, decorate them, bring them inside, and use them for our Thanksgiving tables because they really will make an awesome statement. Right now, what I've already done for you is I decorated this awesome blue color gourd with these gorgeous succulents and air plants. This would make such a lovely statement on a table inside your home, and it's the hottest trend right now, you guys. Look on Pinterest and you will see succulents on pumpkins everywhere, and it is so easy to do. All I literally did was play around with few different mosses, some sphagnum, a little bit of oak moss. You can choose whatever kind of mosses you like. And then I just took some succulents, and in particular, I tried to grab some of the ones that had gotten really leggy. So if you have some leggy succulents at home, you can simply repurpose these, cut off the tops, and then you just want to glue them on. It is as simple as that. You could use a hot glue gun to do this, or I'm simply using a turbo tacky glue, which actually works very quickly and very easy, easier than the hot glue gun really, in my opinion. So all you have to do is glue the moss on, cut the succulents that you like, play with the colors, you know, try to mix and match. I like to use some of the succulents that have a little bit of the red tones in them with a little bit of the lighter green air plant, just so it can kind of stand out, but pick the colors that match your decor. The other thing that's really nice to know is that the succulents will not be hurt. The succulents are so resilient. If they start to get a little dry, you could kind of miss them just a little bit, but you really don't have to do much with them at all. And I promise they will last through the Thanksgiving time and through the holiday season. The other thing you want to kind of look for when you're decorating is pick pumpkins that have nice flat surfaces so you can really put the succulents on there very easily and the moss. And I also like to pick ones that have a stem in the center just because I think it looks really cute with the succulents around it. But you do what you like. You have to go with what fits your decor, what fits your fancy. And now what I'm going to do is actually create one with you.